Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make Instagram Reels to promote Etsy products. Alright guys, so you're struggling to get traffic on your Etsy shop. Instagram Reels can actually bring you free buyers and people to make inquiries. Now in this video I'll show you how to make an Instagram Reel that would promote your Etsy products in 2026. All right, so the first thing is choosing the right product to promote. Not every product works for Reels, so the best options you can go with are personalized items, printables, before and after product, that's like cream, cosmetics, makeup, and problem-solving products like back scratchers, vacuum cleaners, and the likes. So you can, post out things like a gold marble sink. This could attract some people. You could also use things like bronze metal house and flora block print sages, colorful candy series knobs, so like door knobs and the rest. You can sell things like this would actually sell on Instagram. All right, so once you have found your product, now simply pick a simple reel format. I would suggest logging onto your Instagram. So head over to Instagram, log into your account, and then you can check out people's videos, other Etsy kind of videos, see what people are actually selling, how they're selling, and how they're making their videos. So try to have your text on your screen. Your product should always be visible. It should either be a screen recording for the digital products, or that's like planners and the rest. And then if you're going for before or after, make sure the video is set to 7 to 15 seconds. And then always keep your videos short for maximum reach. Now once you're done, simply use tools like the Instagram build editor to simply create your reel. You could also use CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Canva to kind of like create something for your digital product or for your product in general. And then you could also upload the images, the clips, the hook text, even showing the product clearly. So make sure you have samples of this that you can simply share. If you went ahead to click on this listing, you can get to see the price. So make sure your price stays consistent across all your social media platforms. Make sure your details are also consistent. Make sure you add customer reviews into the comments, your ratings, all those good stuff. Just make sure your content stands out when you're posting on Instagram. And also try to include memes into your videos. Yes, it's a risky one, but adding memes or creating a meme-like video on Instagram on the reel section would take you far, because a lot of people pay attention to comedy more than serious stuff. Unless you have the budget to go for an exclusive or fantastic reel, I would suggest keeping it simple, copying what your competitors are doing, copying what people are doing on Instagram when it comes to product advertisements basically. And then write a caption that sells. So your first line should include curiosity, your second line should be the benefit, and then your call to action should be the link in bio. So people can actually come over and buy your candy series ceramic doorknobs. So people should be interested in getting things like this. So let's see if we can get more pictures of it, and then you can copy someone else's description. All right, so clearly you can see example of ceramics that people are selling. This is here. This here is a ceramic knob that is for dressers, door handles, furniture cabining, all that good stuff. And then if you scroll down a bit, you could just clearly see their description. So you can see the description, you can see the price, you can even see it's 25% off. So try to include things like this onto your listing on Instagram. So when you're posting your reel, make sure you include 25% off. Make sure your video or reel has more than one image, and try to put your bestseller first. So it should be your bestseller first. And then also scroll through a bit so you can see what other sellers are also doing, like having more than one customizable cabinet dresser pull. And then you could also screenshot this as part of your video. So when you screenshot this into your video, make sure to keep the best comments first. All right, and now the next thing is also to use the right hashtags. So try to use 3 to 5 niche hashtags, then 1 to 2 Etsy related hashtag, and then a broad reach hashtag. It could be anything. You could hashtag anything or anyone so your video can actually go viral. And then last but not least, post and optimize. So post once a day or at least 3 times in a week, and then post during work hours. So evenings are the best when people are back home trying to relax. They're on social media. You're most likely to get viewers on your video. You're most likely to get DMs during that period, as most people are relaxed and at home. All right, so comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.